Welcome everyone in the third session of Civics, Chapter 3. Heading of the chapter is Why Do We Need a Parliament? So, we will continue this chapter today. First heading for today is the role of the Parliament. Created after 1947, the Indian Parliament is an expression of the faith that the people of India have in principles of democracy. So, Parliament is based on the democracy. These are participation by people in the decision making process and government by consent. Consent means permission. The parliament in our system has immense powers. Immense means great powers because it is the representative of the people. Elections to the parliament are held in a similar manner as they are for the state legislature. That means for election of prime minister and election of chief minister, after every 5 years election is held. The Lok Sabha is usually elected once every 5 years. The country is divided into numerous constituencies. So for election, we divide the country into different constituency. Our constituency is Bastar constituency. So next point of role of parliament is to select the national government. That means after the election of Lok Sabha is held, the process of selecting the national government takes place. The party which wins the majority of seats, the leader of that party is elected as prime minister, and the prime minister distributes the ministries to other ministers. In this way, the national government is selected. Second point, to control, guide, and inform the government. The parliament, while in session, begins with a question hour. So, first hour of parliament is the question hour. In question hour, the MPs can ask the questions to the government about its policies, about its programs. So, it is an eye opener for the government also. That means the government keeps ready all the answers that the opposition can ask. So, in a way, the government also does its work well. The government gets valuable feedback and is kept on its toes by the questions asked by the MPs. In addition, in all matters dealing with finances, the parliament's approval is crucial for the government. This is one of the several ways in which the parliament controls, guides, and informs the government. The MPs, as representatives of the people, have a central role in controlling, guiding, and informing the parliament, and this is a key aspect of the functioning of democracy. That means the MPs are asking the questions, they are raising the different issues in the parliament. Third is lawmaking. Lawmaking is a significant means important function of parliament. We shall read about this in the next chapter, but I will tell you now itself how the lawmaking process is done. First of all, a bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha, and after discussion in Lok Sabha, and if that bill is passed in Lok Sabha, it goes to Rajya Sabha. In Rajya Sabha also, the same bill is discussed. If any changes are to be made, it is made, and after passing from Rajya Sabha, it goes to the President. If the President feels the bill is good, it is correct, it is alright, he does his signature. After the signature of President, the bill becomes a law. In this way, the law is made. There has been an increase in political participation. That means in the beginning less political parties were there, but as time progressed, number of political parties increased. In the same way, voting percentage also increased. In the beginning, less number of people were going to cast vote, But as time changes, more and more people started going to cast their votes. Similarly, it has more recently been suggested that there should be reservation of seats for women. So it was seen that the number of women members in the parliament was very less. So the government came up with a scheme that some seats should be reserved for the women. Reserve means there only women candidates will stand in that election. So in a way, some seats were made reserved for the women so that the women participation can also be increased. So in this way we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.